guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. So as you have read the title, today's video is going to be a makeup challenge. So basically you would have seen this challenge all over the internet, and in this challenge basically use number code generator, which is easily available on Google. And suppose I have these three foundations. This is 1, 2 and 3. So I'll write the number, the lower limit and the upper limit 1 and 3, and it will generate a number. So if 3 comes, I'm going to use this foundation. If 2 comes, I'm going to use this foundation. If 1 comes, I'm going to use this foundation. So this is what I'm going to do today. And also I have a new palette and it has variety of colors. So I'm excited to use that and generate numbers and just mix and match what color is going to come. So I hope that you all will like this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And let's get started with the video. So firstly, I'm going to start with the eye look. So the palette I have is James Charles palette. I'm so happy to have this. I really wanted to have this palette since ages. And now I can create multiple looks with this. I'm really happy to get this palette. It's like my dream palette and it's not available in India, so it was very tough to get this. So basically this palette has 39 colors. So I'm gonna generate the numbers 4 times, and any color can come, even the neutral can come, or even the bold colors can come in this. So it's totally I don't know what I'll create with this, but I'm gonna generate it 4 times and see what color comes. And also I have numbered the colors, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then again from starting here 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it's gonna go in this manner. So I have put the lower limit as 1 and upper limit as 39, and now I'm gonna generate a number. So 31. So firstly it's 31. Generate it again, it's number 3, and now I'm gonna generate again, it's number 1 again, and it's number 39. So I have 4 numbers. So the 4 numbers I've come up with is 31, then number 3, then number 1, and the last number, which is 39. So I'm going to create look with these 4 stuff. So let's first count which color comes up and what I have to use on my eyelids. So firstly I have number 1, which is that color, which is very easy to use. And then I have number 3, which is this golden champagne color, if you could see. And then I have number 31, which comes out to be this baby pink color, which I've never really used ever in my life. And the last number is 39, which is this hot pink color. So these two are basically very easy to color, easy to use colors, but these two are not that easy. So I'm excited to use specifically this hot pink color. So I've concealed my eyelids so that it gives a good base for the colors to enhance and make it look more better. So now I'm going to start with this thing, and firstly I'm going to use the number 1 shade, which is right here. So this is a very neutral shade, skin color sort of shade. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to put this all over my eyelid. It's going to give a very nice base to my other eyeshadows to put on. So now I'm going to use this sort of color, this baby pink color, and put it on my outer crease. Right here I'm going to put this and blend this very nicely. So I tried using this baby pink color with quite a lot of wet brushes as well as dry brushes, but the color isn't showing up because obviously I tried blending quite a lot and it's not even that much visible because I have duskier skin tone and it's not showing up on my skin tone because it's very light color. It's look like I'm putting a white eyeshadow or a cream eyeshadow. So it's not showing up on my eyelids, so it's sort of failed. This shade is not for my skin tone. Now I'm gonna skip this and I'm gonna use this hot pink color instead because I think it's gonna show up on my eyelid very nicely. So see, this is the color, that's what I wanted, this sort of impact, and it's totally showing up on my eyes. So I'm done with the hot pink eyeshadow, but I'm gonna give the baby pink one another chance. I think it may show up with this hot pink color. like it shows up a little bit now because of the hot pink color. It's showing up, which is great. So I'm gonna blend it like this with the hot pink color. Now if you could see, the baby pink color is a bit visible, like in the outer edges you could see that I have like blended it quite a lot off camera so that it can be visible. So the last color which is left is the number 3, which is the golden color, and I'm thinking to use this like in the inner corner as well as this part of my eyelid, the starting part of my eyelid, and I think it's gonna look amazing. So I'm done with the eye look and it looks amazing. So the light is coming from here, so it looks reflecting and it looks really good. But this side it doesn't look that good because I'm against the light from this side, but it looks equally good on both the side, and I'm loving this golden tint and the whole hot pink color look. So now I'm gonna put lashes on, and it's a very big task, so I'm gonna do it off camera, and then I'm gonna start with my base. And yeah, it took quite a lot of time to put these lashes, and also I'm not a beauty guru, not a professional. I just love doing makeup, so please don't judge my makeup look or something. I just love doing and creating looks. So now I'm gonna start with my base, and firstly I'm gonna use my primer. So it's Benefit Professional Primer. So I'm gonna put this all over my face and specifically near my nose area where it gets quite greasy and it doesn't look good. So this area, because that area gets a bit textured and greasy, so I'm gonna put over my chin and all over my face, and I have 2 pimples right there which came up just like yesterday. And yeah, so I've put the primer. So for foundation, I have these 3 foundations. Number 1 is LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation. It's very illuminating foundation. This is Maybelline Superstay. It's not that illuminating, it's on the drier side. And this is the Makeup Revolution stick, and it's like of neutral side, and I love this one the most. Number 1 is this, number 2 and number 3. So let's see what comes up. So I've put the generator here, and the lower side is 1 and the upper side is 3. So I'm gonna generate. So it comes out to be 2. So I'm gonna use Maybelline Superstay Foundation, this one right here. I really didn't want to use this because it's winter season and I really don't want a dry foundation, but I'm gonna use this now. So I really don't like foundations. I use concealer whenever I want to create a look. But for this, I really wanted to do like a full makeup look. So that is why I'm using a foundation. But otherwise, I really don't like foundation and stuff because I think concealer also gives the same effect. But still, I'm gonna use this all over my neck, also like ears. Concealers, I have these 4 concealers. So number 1 is Makeup Revolution, number 2 is Too Faced Born This Way, number 3 is LA Girl Pro HD Concealer, and number 4 is Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. So now I'm going to generate the number, and the number comes number 3. So the number 3 was LA Girl Pro HD Concealer, and I love that concealer, to be honest. It's really nice and it matches my skin tone like a dream. So now after this, for powder, I have this palette, this Makeup Revolution Imagination palette. So it has like 3 like powder shades. So now I'm gonna generate the number. So this being 1, this being 2, this being 3, and also for contour, I'm gonna use 1, 2, and 3. So number 1 comes, if you could see that. So I'm gonna use the number 1 in both the contour as well as the powdering palette. So actually these 2 shades are really lighter for my skin tone. I always go with these ones or these ones, but I have to use this because they came. So I'm going to use this powder, which is quite a lot of white for me. So for blush, I have these three tints. So number one is Benetton, number two is Cha Cha tint, and number three is Gogo tint. So I'm gonna generate the number. So number three comes, which is Gogo tint, and I love Gogo tint. It's my favorite from all the ones, all the lot. So I love this. Now I'm done with everything. Just highlighter and my eyebrows are left, which I'm going to do off camera because there's not much option in them. And then only lips are left, so I'm going to catch you up with the lip options. So now I'm back again. I did my lashes again because I just didn't find them good, and now they look more weird. So that is the problem with these lashes, they never go correctly. And I'm done with my highlighter, if you could see, and my brows as well. So now let's jump into lipstick because I'm really excited because the colors which are there are not going to match my eye look at all. Like there's brown, there's nude, there's maroon, there's bright red, which is not going to match with this look. So I'm really excited to see what color comes up. So for number one, I have this Estee Lauder lipstick, which is bright red in color, and I never wear these sort of colors. For number two, I have this Lakme lipstick, which is like a brownish color, if you could see. I really like this one. This is one of my favorite. It suits my skin tone. Then for number three, I have this is the Faces lip gloss, and I've been currently loving lip glosses, so I really want this to come. Then for number four, I have this Nykaa lipstick, which is maroon in color, which is like blood red color. Then for number five, which is from L'Oreal, and it's one of the best color. It's like a subtle nude color, which this is going to match my look. So I really want number five, but let's see what comes. So now I'm gonna start generating and let's see what number comes. So I've generated a number three is here, which is the lip gloss. I really wanted that. So guys, I'm finally done with the whole look and it looks so good. And I'm gonna fix my lashes again so that it looks more better for pictures and stuff. And I really love the way it has turned out. I never thought it's gonna look that amazing. And I hope that you all will like this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I've seen that quite a lot of percentage of you all have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, so please do that. It will mean quite a lot for me. And stay safe, stay happy. Bye guys.